Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Unity on your PC. So first what you have to do is go to the official Unity website. So let's go ahead and go to unity.com, and over here you can see this is our website, and here you can see the download option, and when you scroll down you'll be able to see various plans that Unity has offered. So if you are a student, you can download it for free, but you cannot commercialize your game. And there are some other options such as Unity Personal and Unity Pro, in which you will be able to commercialize your games, whatever games you create on the software itself. So to install Unity, I'm going to show you an article where you will be able to see how you can exactly install the Unity. So what you have to do is just click on free download, and let's go ahead and pull up that article. Alright, so over here there is a step-by-step process on how you can download and install your Unity software. So here you can see first you have to navigate to the download Unity site, which is the site that I showed you earlier. So here you'll be able to see various options. What you have to do is click on download for Windows. So next what you have to do is, here you can see you have to download the Unity Hub. So on Windows, just click on download for Windows and choose your Unity version, and you'll have to choose your Unity version. So I recommend you to download and install the latest version. You'll see the option over there. Alright, so these are some screenshots that you'll be able to see when you download the Unity Hub setup. Alright, so let's pull up the installing Unity editor guide. So here what you have to do is click on account login on the top left corner of the window and sign in with your Unity ID. So you'll have to create an account over there, and once you do that, just click on installs and click on install editor. So over here you have to select the latest version of editor, the Unity editor that you want to use, and select the blue button, the install button on the right of the editor version that you want to use. And once you do that, your editor will be installed, and then you'll be able to use the Unity application right away. So that's it. That is how you'll be able to install Unity on your PC. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.